Hey guys, running Kimono here. So, about half an hour ago, I was in my Walgreens account, and no coupons, no nothing, and just the app and both the desktop website, like, we need an exterminator because there's a ton of bugs. Like, I can't really navigate anything. And what I also noticed is just I think it's because it's the beginning of the month. They have an overhaul of new IVCs and new coupons, which usually, they do perfectly, but maybe the center where a lot of this gets done, perhaps it was affected by a hurricane or, low staff or something is really up this morning where the digital coupons are not popping. So, I can't get any digital coupons on my end to load. I posted something on Instagram, and like people all over the U.S. are reporting the same thing. My friend Wanda in Ohio, we're both in the Midwest, but like people in Utah and then somebody in California, like so it's all over the place, guys. So just be really warned on this. I could not track down at 5 o'clock this morning the $2 for the Tide, the $2 for the Tide Pod, the quarter for the Bounty, the quarter for the Charmin, which are in the September PNG. And often the Walgreens app always mirrors those coupons. It's not included. So, what I would recommend is that if, for whatever reason, if they pull the Tide on us, use a $4 register reward. Obviously, you can't use two manufacturers because of the verbiage of the P&G coupon, but you're just going to have to get creative in a different way, or maybe that Tide coupon will show up later. But I did check first thing at like 5 in the morning because that's when I first woke up. Now, Dawn's Deals reported that her register rewards were also not printing, so it's just kind of like a problem this morning. So I'm just surmising: are they in a is the head office for this these digital coupons located in like a hurricane place where they had to evacuate everybody? Is it something more? Did some people get sick? Is the system down? Is the server down? Is it maintenance? What is it? We have no idea. So wait till noon, go back and check. Wait till 4 o'clock, go back and check, and possibly go do these deals on Monday. Because if it's showing like this in the morning, when this has happened, I believe the last time this happened where it was really bad was like 2 years ago during the springtime around Easter. The fact that I remember that, it's weird. But I went shopping the next day and everything was fine. But sometimes this happens and it's once in a blue moon. And look up today, guys. That's today. And I'm really sorry because I know a lot of you bank on going to Walgreens today, which is Sunday, to do all your shopping, but it's not happening. So also at 4 in the morning, I just went through my coupons folder and I noticed that my beauty reward was like, hey, you got 1 day and this thing is gone. As I remember last year, when they did the exact same thing, I got reissued into it again. So I just got, it said it was expiring, but when you looked at it the next day, it said, hey, you're in Beauty Club. So I don't know why they just do that. They say it's going to expire, but it's not. Perhaps it has to do with the maintenance where things look really bizarre. I don't know. And then at 5 in the morning, this guy was showing up. So whatever's in the September P&G, they mirror all those coupons. And this is a $5.49 off of 2 body washes or dry sprays, excluding the high endurance trial and travel size. So I absolutely loaded this guy right away. And we're going to talk about this coupon really quick because I had a matchup and a lot of you were very concerned with the matchup. So we're going to go through this again because there was an error and something still strange is going on. So definitely whenever the system gets loaded back up, load this guy because it's very similar, but it's a little different because you don't have to buy a dry spray and a body wash. You can just buy 2 body washes. Now, if you look at this matchup here, it's 2 for $11, and in the second deck, there's $1 off 2. That specifically is for deodorant. Sorry, guys, I didn't grab a screenshot this morning. I didn't know they were going to take everything away. $4 register reward when you buy 4. Let's read the little deck here. It says Old Spice deodorant, comma, body spray or bath care, excludes dry spray. Now, I'm not a dude, and I apologize to all the male couponers watching here, but I didn't know the difference between body spray and dry spray because the cans look identical, and I'm going to show you the 2 cans here in a second, but there is a difference. Now, this morning, in my infinite wisdom at 5 in the morning, I'm like, hey, I want to look up body spray and see what's attaching. And sure as sunshine, that $5.49 off of 2 is attaching to body spray. So my guess is, was there an error in the ad? Will this coupon probably attach? Yes, it probably will. But if you're not about that, don't use it, because it's not attaching digitally to the dry spray. And I think if you buy one of each, the register reward will not print. And the dry spray, which is a little bit more, wasn't priced at 2 for $11 first thing this morning, but the body spray is, which is kind of bizarre. Nothing but digitals. We're going to look at a new matchup for this, grabbing 2 body washes and 2 deodorant bars. So the bars of deodorant, that's 22 on the nose. Subtracting the $5.49, which is that new coupon that showed up, plus the $1 off 2 for the deodorant. So $6.49 is coming off. Let's make sure you have your spend 20, get 5,000 booster loaded to your store card. So you will pay $15.51 cash out of pocket. It must be cash because you have a spend booster there. You're getting back your $4 register reward plus 5,000 points, making it $6.51 for the 4, or $1.62 per product. Hey, that's not the worst thing ever. And this is doing it 100% digital, because I know a lot of you can't track down PNG inserts. So this is the alternative, and I'm really sorry about the confusion, but even on the website, when I was looking it up this morning, like what's a dry spray, what's a body spray, the digital was attaching to the body spray. So for example, guys, this is what the body spray looks like. And I mean, anything that sprays out of a can, I assumed it was dry spray, because in the Unilever line, it's the same thing. They're always called dry sprays. But if you look really closely at the can, and sorry, this is exceptionally pixelated, but I think you can make it out right there. It says body spray. Now, this guy was regular price at $7.99. I guess it must be made out of gold. And this one is, in fact, a dry spray. So looking at it a little closer, again, guys, I really apologize about the pixels. Okay, so if you ever look at the dry spray can, the font is so teeny tiny that I don't regularly buy this to use it, and my husband is so sensitive to anything with fragrance that, this is one thing I would we don't use. I buy it and give it away, but I never buy it to use it. So apologies about that. So I presented the digital alternative deal, and when the website pops back up, you can look at body sprays, which ones are included, use the app to scan in store to see what's included, and look at the stickers as well. My fear is that you grab a dry spray, that register reward will not print, but hey, we've got bingo this morning where it's a calamity of everything not working. So just be patient with this one, guys, and I apologize for a lot of you who might have, taken the morning off, or, this is your time to go shopping. It's just not going to happen today because of these errors, and typically when this happens, you got to wait later in the day at 4 o'clock or the next day. It's just been my experience. Please don't shoot the messenger, but I don't want you guys going into the store and then having to get in a boxing match over a register reward or calling customer service, because customer service today will be a nightmare to get through, because there will be so many people calling and saying, "Where's my stuff?" So just, I'm sorry, guys. It's just not a fun day to go be out there shopping. Okay, so let's go over to Rite Aid, guys, and at Rite Aid, we're going to talk about this because this hasn't been seen in a couple of months. They've been saying, hey, apply for that gift card and fill out 7,000 forms and good luck with that, wink, wink. But they're finally handing out bonus cash for P&G items, and all of the digitals, like the $2 for the Tide Pods, $2 for the Tide Liquid, they're all showing up in your Rite Aid app, along with at the Dollar General too. So I think there's a huge mistake happening over at Walgreens this morning. But if you wanted to work, fix up a deal where you were getting a little bit here, a little bit there for the P&G products, because they have a whole host of them, and they even have some gain coupons in there. I'm sure you can get to $30 even with digital coupons, Pantene, Tide, Olay, all that good stuff. And then, just a whole host of it. And we haven't seen this in months. And if you're a loyal Rite Aid shopper, you know precisely what I'm talking about. So also in the flyer this week, we have these little Russell Stover pumpkins. They are 2 for $1. You'll pay that $1 out of pocket and then get back $1 of bonus cash, making it completely for free. The limit for this is once per store card, so really pay attention. You're not grabbing 4 of them, only 2 for this little dealio. Okay, so now we're talking about the Crest toothpaste. $3 dollar coupon in the Sunday paper, or there's digital this morning as well. You'll pay $2 out of pocket, get back $2 of bonus cash, essentially making it for free. The limit for this is 2. Now hold your hat for a second. I saw a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, so if you grabbed 2 of them and just did the deal together, you would get one for free and get your, $4 back. So hey, it's a little something for you. The Dr. Teal's and Calgon. So if you like this sort of bathing care, which is kind of expensive, they're offering a $4 bonus cash when you buy 10, which is basically like 40% back. You can do this twice per store card. So even if you went and bought $20, you would get $8 back. And this stuff never ever has coupons. So if you're at home, doing a little spa day, this might be something to pick up. And then over at Meijer, and Meijer is here in the Midwest, these Del Monte little cups of fruit. This is a freebie. So if you can line this one up, I would absolutely do it. And special shout out to Nerdy Birdie 99. She was talking to me about this yesterday on Instagram, and she's spot on the money. So grabbing 3 of the Del Monte bubbles, so it's a cup of a certain type of fruit, and they're called the bubbles. This is a new product. And then 2 of the Del Monte fruit cups, part of the buy 5, save 5. That is the price of $10.45. Remember, buy 5, save 5, $5 comes off automatically. And then if you go over to the Del Monte website, there's 50 centers for the fruit cups and $1 off too for the regular cups. So that's $2 of coupons coming off right there. And so you'll be left with paying $3.45 out of pocket. IBOTTA is giving back a 75-cent rebate, up to 3 times for the bubbles, and then once for the regular cups. So that's $3 back right there. Plus, there's a bonus if it's still there for you later this afternoon or whenever you get out to the store. It possibly could be free or 45 cents for the 5. So hopefully you can follow this little matchup. But this is one I'm probably going to go out and try today. Why not? And with Walgreens, I'm going to maybe go there tomorrow because it's just a mess, guys. And whenever this happens, sometimes it takes a little bit for these systems to reprogram. So it's better to side with a bit of caution. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.